Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. I'm making a quarantine vlog and I just actually look like this. I just woke up. It's 1:05 in the afternoon and I woke up. Yeah. I was just brushing my teeth and doing what I do, and now my teeth are clean. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my day. It is a chill day. It is a Sunday, so I'm not gonna be doing the most. It's a chill day, and I don't wanna. Yeah, this is gonna be realistic, you know. And I'm gonna be rating the activities I do because I think it adds flavor. Oh my, I don't look glamorous in the morning. If you think I'm ugly, then I just have one thing to say to you. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So yeah, I'm just gonna do my activities now. So the first activity that I do in the morning is have my coffee. I don't like breakfast.
Some of y'all about to be real mad at me, but it must be said.
I don't eat breakfast. Like I rarely eat breakfast. I just don't like it. I hate breakfast. I don't like how it makes me feel. Anyways, I wake up late, so I'll be having lunch not long from now. So I just have my coffee, and I'm privileged enough for my mom to make coffee for me in the morning. Cheers. Yeah. And I don't have coffee like that. I'll be watching something relaxing. I'm currently watching BoJack Horseman because I saw Ashley from Best Dress recommended that in her latest video, and I've been addicted. I'm on season 4 and I just love it. So I'm gonna watch BoJack Horseman and I'm gonna have to drink that coffee and you will see what's my next activity. So now is the first activity of the day, and that is my mom makes me water the plants every day. She has a plant obsession, so I'm gonna water the plants because otherwise, if I don't, then my dad and my mom will come to my room 20 times and remind me. So I don't like being told what to do, so I just do it now without them having to tell me. Unless I wake up too late, then they constantly remind me. Then I'm gonna be watering the plants. I told you it was realistic. What do you expect? So if these plants die, I will be blamed for it. So I water them every day. Yeah. Also, I hate my morning voice. So I'm sorry in the previous clips I was sounding raspy. It's just my morning voice. I hate it. So yeah. I also have to wash the dishes, like my own dishes. But still annoying. And I'll have to probably wash some more later. So yeah. So it's 1:45 and I just finished washing those vessels. I just want to say that I know I don't stick to um, a category, and I'm still like I just don't want to fit in. I don't want to fit in. Like I don't want to be put in a box because I know content can be repetitive if it keeps on. So I just wanted to switch it up a bit. Plus, I've always wanted to do vlogging. Is it my calling or should I let it go to voicemail? Like, really don't know what to do, but I just thought this was fun, and I just wanted to do something really informal where I'm not sitting down, I'm not wearing a full face of makeup, I'm not telling you what makeup look to do. So yeah, I thought this was nice for a change. And yeah, if the quality is bad compared to my other videos, it's because I'm filming this on my phone and I don't have the small tripods for cameras, so I don't want to literally cause my hand. Like, I'm all for, like, the camera is really heavy. I'm all for camera body positivity, but not if it causes my hand to sprain, you know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, do the whole thing. But now I have to do jadu, aka sweeping. This is my duty, so I'm gonna do that. And this makes is like a workout. Like, Chloe thing has nothing on this, so I'm just gonna do jadu. And I told you I was gonna keep it realistic, so here you go.
Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, I kicked it by mistake.
You can't kick it by mistake.
Then pick it up if it bothers
no,
you.
No, you will pick it up.
So I'm done.
Yeah.
With jadu. It was very tiring. It's a workout, and I'm so tired. This angle, yeah, I'm sweaty and disgusting. So I'm gonna take a shower, and then we'll see what am I gonna do. What am I gonna do? I have no clue. So I haven't taken a shower yet, but I was thirsty and I decided to make an iced vanilla latte. So we're gonna be making that. I'm a mess, but I'm gonna do a taste test. Never made this. It's like a vanilla iced latte. It's so good. 10 out of 10. Delicious. Genuinely so happy. Hey guys, so I took a shower and now I'm clean. And I'm whispering because my parents are in the hall and they're wondering why I'm talking to the phone. So now I'm going to be listening to Mass, which is church, and it's compulsory every Sunday. So yeah, I'm going to be listening to Mass. I think it'll be for an hour, and this is the last activity of the day. So yeah. Hey guys, so the Mass is done.
Yeah.
That's the last activity of the day because there's nothing else left to do besides eating dinner and sleeping. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.